Hey, what's up? DeveDal here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the SONY WH-1000XM4. It's the latest wireless noise cancelling headphones from Sony. It's a successor of SONY WH-1000XM3. They pretty much have the same features. If it's your first time here, welcome to DeveDal, where I do tech unboxing, tutorials, reviews, and tips and tricks. If you're interested in any of what I just mentioned, consider subscribing. Before mentioning any of the features, these headphones are the best noise cancelling out there. If you want to isolate yourself and focus on your activity, they are the best. It's a comfortable design. It does have improved noise cancelling, multi-point pairing, autoplay, pause, and conversation awareness. These headphones comes in 3 colors. You have black, silver, and midnight. In today's video, I'm reviewing the midnight blue. This is the best color too. Let's check what's included in the box. Right when you open the box, you have the easy setup. It's like a quick guide. This is the hard case that carries the headphones and the accessories. In the case, you have the headphones. They look really good and high quality. You have a cable if you want to connect the headphones instead of using it wirelessly. You have the plug adapter for in-flight use. And you have the charger. I honestly don't know what Sony was thinking about when decided to have a short cable like that. Anyway, you can use any other USB-C cable to charge them. The new SONY WH-1000XM4 has quite some good features. With the app, you can really take advantage of your headphones. You can download the Headphones Connect from Apple Store or Google Play Store. The headphones only have 2 visible buttons, and it does have a lot more than that. To turn it on and off, you press and hold the power button. On the right side, you have all the necessary features to use the headphone. If you tap twice, you can play or pause music or videos. If you tap and hold, you will activate the voice assist function. If you want to play next music, you swipe in the forward direction, and if you want to rewind or play the previous song, you swipe in the opposite direction. To lower the volume, you swipe down, and to put it up, you swipe up. Very simple and easy. If you're interested in buying these headphones, I have a link in the description below. You can check it out. In terms of battery, Sony claims that these headphones can last up to 30 hours listening to music with noise cancelling on, and up to 38 hours with noise cancelling off. It's a pretty decent amount of time without charging. Let's say you want to wash and your headphones are dead. 10 minutes charge can play up to 5 hours. People like devices like that because not everyone takes time to put their headphones in charge very often, knowing that they can last very long. So that's a plus. The headphones are compatible with Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. To enhance your voice while talking on the phone, Sony adds 3 mics. These 3 mics make your voice sound while talking on the phone and picks up your voice even if you have noise around. People will hear you very clearly. As I mentioned earlier, there's an app that can help you take good advantage of your headphones. When you open the app, you can see if your headphones are connected and the battery level. You have 3 tabs which are status, sound, and system. In the status mode, you have the adaptive sound control. In that mode, the app can detect your actions and your frequent locations and will automatically switch settings on how to take the ambient sound. To detect the type of actions, you go to these settings right here. You can either choose the ambient sound control presets or you control it at your convenience. It depends on the location you're in. You can set it up to adjust to the specific location. The noise cancelling is pretty good, so I would not recommend using them in public. I like to be aware of my surroundings, so I don't use them in public. You can turn on the settings right here in order for the app to learn your frequent location and automatically adjust to it. What is very interesting is that you can connect 2 devices at the same time. The headphones can switch automatically and very fast from one device to another. You don't have to go to the hassle of disconnecting from one and connecting to the other. You simply pause the one that is playing and play the second. The other tab is the sound. In that setting, you can turn on the ambient sound control. This is the same control we just talked about in status. The speak to chat setting isn't interesting. When it's on, once you start talking, the headphones pause whatever you are listening to and the noise cancelling shuts off automatically and adjusts to the ambient sound. Personally, I do not like this feature. If you're someone who likes to sing while listening to music, I doubt you will like it either. It will cut the music out. I always leave mine off. If you want to be aware of the ambient noise going around, you can simply place your hand on the right ear cup and noise cancelling will be turned off and ambient sound will be turned on. You can adjust the settings at your convenience. The headphones also have a sensor in the left ear cup. Once you take the headphones off, whatever is playing stops automatically. And when you put them back on, it starts playing again. You can set the voice sensitivity. You can put focus on the voice and you can also adjust the time until the mode closes. For better experience, you can optimize the headphones based on the way you wear them, or if you change hairstyle. And you can also optimize the atmospheric pressure based on the location you're in. The headphones have preset equalizer, but you can also customize it to match your taste. The Sony WH-1000XM4 supports Sony's 360 reality audio format that enables spatial audio on stereo headphones, plus the LDAC codec that can send a bitrate up to 990 kilobits per second. The app will direct you on how to set it up. It will analyze your ear shape and provide the best sound quality possible. The next one is the sound quality mode. The headphones can focus on the sound quality and on the connection. And then we have the DSEE Extreme option. You can turn it off or leave it on auto. According to Sony, it's a technology for upscaling compressed sound sources by using artificial intelligence technology that will help you enjoy a clear and lively sound even with highly compressed sound sources such as MP3. And the System tab. First setting is where you can activate and connect two devices at the same time. The next one is where you can customize the custom button on the headphone. You can turn on and turn off the touch sensor panel on the right side of the headphones. You can set the headphones to automatically power off when it's not warm. As I mentioned earlier, you can set the headphones to pause whatever you are listening to when you take them off. You can turn on and off the notification and voice guide. And lastly, you can allow the app to automatically download any update. The app even has a tutorial to help you understand the actual headphones. Sony has done a great job with the last upgrades. I personally was impressed by how the headphones responded to the app. Well, should you upgrade from the XM3 to the XM4? In my opinion, no. These headphones cost $350. The noise cancelling is great. The headphones are comfortable, but I would not recommend them to work out because when you're sweating and then you have the cushion on top of your ears, it's very uncomfortable. So I would not recommend them for working out. The sound quality is not that great. I was expecting better sound quality from Sony. If you never own a pair of noise cancelling headphones, you can go ahead and try them. But if you already own the previous model, no need to spend $350. The difference is not that. I'll spend an entire week using them. Even if you wear them for a long period of time, they don't bother you. This was my review for the Sony WH-1000XM4. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comment below. If you find value in this video, please share it and smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.